In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit specific areas with the graduated filter in Lightroom Classic. This tool is a powerful ally when you're looking to enhance or correct areas within your photograph selectively. It's particularly great for skies, but you can use it on any part of your picture that might benefit from a bit of extra attention. First things first, go ahead and open up Lightroom Classic on your computer. Once you've got it open, switch over to the Develop module. You can do this by selecting the photo you want to work on and simply pressing the D key on your keyboard. This will bring you into the workspace where most of the magic happens. Now, we need to select the graduated filter tool. This tool is typically represented by an icon that looks like 3 vertical stripes. You'll find it sitting just under the histogram on the top right. Alternatively, if you're a fan of shortcuts and want to move a little quicker, simply hit the M key on your keyboard. Both methods will lead you to the same place. Once you've selected the graduated filter tool, it's time to apply it to your photo. Decide where you'd like to start the effect and click on that spot. You'll then drag across your photo in the direction you want the filter to fade. Say, for instance, if you're working on the sky, you might start at the top and drag downward. This dragging action will create an overlay on your photo with 3 guidelines. These lines indicate how the filter gradually fades. The outer lines show where it starts and ends, while the center line marks where the effect is at its full strength. To get the look just right, you're probably going to want to adjust the placement a bit. You can move the entire filter region by dragging the center line. And if you need to adjust how quickly or slowly the transition happens from full effect to no effect at all, simply drag one of the outer lines. This is known as feathering and can help you achieve a more natural look. If your photo features an angled horizon, you can easily rotate the filter by hovering over the center line until a rotate cursor appears and then adjusting accordingly. With your filter region set up, it's time to fine-tune the effect using the adjustment sliders on the right panel. If you want to darken the sky, try lowering the exposure or highlights. For a color shift, adjusting the temperature or tint can add warmth or coolness to your selected area. Other sliders like clarity, dehaze, or contrast can help bring out texture, especially in skies, giving you the exact look you envision for your photo. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, the graduated filter can quickly become one of your favorite tools in Lightroom Classic for selective editing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!